Christmas stuff. So cute. A mini tree skirt. Some beads for the tree. Ornaments. They don't have all their Christmas stuff out as of yet. Stencil or tinsel. Aw, that's my favorite, the Charlie Brown tree. So cute. Don't you just love Christmas? Aw. Look at that, Rudolph. Look at how cute. Oh, look at that, tree toppers. Look how cute. Oh, look at these tree skirts. So pretty. I made one. I sewed one. It came out very cute. But these are very, very cute. Look at those. Oh, snowman. Look at that. I love snowmen. It says or Happy Holidays. I don't like those. Are those gnomes? I think how you say that. That's how you say that. Those I don't care for. So pretty. That one says Merry Christmas. Look at how cute that is to go around your tree. So pretty. I remember when my boys would wear these. I bought some of these for them, excuse me, to wear around Christmas and on Christmas. So pretty. Oh, look at these. A hat with little reindeer or antlers with lights. Oh, look at this one, Mickey Mouse ears. Oh, and it has a little bow. They got one for the bows, and one for boys and one for girls. Look at that one. All these hats that you can wear, Christmas hats. So cute. Let me see what else they have here. Christmassy. Oh, for your stockings, to hang your stockings. Aww. So cute. I like this one. That one's kind of cute. I like that one. Kind of cute. Snowman, very cute. Stocking holders. Oh, look at that one. That one's so pretty. That too. I like this one. I like the personalized ones. Ornaments and stocking holders. Look at how cute. And these stockings with initials. Look at these. Look at Spider-Man. Cute. So cute. Some wreaths that you can purchase and decorate yourself. How cute. I would like to come and get these when Christmas is over, when they're on clearance. Best time to shop. This is just clearance stuff here. Cute, not Christmas is what I mean. Look at that, how pretty. Hello, fall. Hello. So cute. Some wreaths, pretty wreaths. Pretty, 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 pretty. Oh, bows. I love bows. I like that. Bloom where you were planted. Isn't that beautiful? I would like to garden one day when I'm able. Well, thank you for joining me today on Decorate, Bake, and Create with Lizette Michelle. Until next time, friends. Bye-bye.